Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. This time we are going to learn about botany 11th standard. We are going to start from the chapter living world, right? Living world, we are going to study the living world. Okay, let us understand all these terminologies and let us understand about this chapter, living world, right? What is meant by living and what is meant by the world? See, living will gives us lots of meaning, like life, being alive, right? These are all the things which comes under when we talk about the living, right? Life, what is meant by the life? Life is unique, right? When life and when an organism is said to be living, it will perform lots of features or lots of characteristics, or the body will perform lots of processes like the respiration. These are all the life processes, right? Respiration, digestion, right? And excretion, nervous system, transportation, okay, etc. will be performed by an organism. Okay, now let us understand about some of the characteristic features. Some of the characteristic features of living organisms. Characteristic features of living organisms. Now we are going to study about some of the features of living organisms which makes or which will say that an organism is living. Then let us start about that. Now the defining, here we talk about some defining characters. Yeah, the defining characters and non-defining characters. What is meant by the defining characters? Let us understand now. Right? Now when it comes to defining, right? When it comes to the defining and non-defining, first let us understand about what are all the characters or features of organisms. First is the growth, second one reproduction, number 3 response to stimuli, right? Number 4 cellular metabolism, and number 5 cellular organization. Okay, now we are going to study about each and every characteristics, each and every character, and we are going to say whether the characteristics are defining, means a compulsory character, or a non-defining character. Let us start with growth. Let us start with the growth. Right? Let's start with growth. Let us start with growth. What is meant by growth? Growth is increase in mass or increase in number of cells. Right? When this first feature, when the first feature growth, when we talk about the growth, it is increase in mass or increase in number of cells. Now let us take the life cycle of a human. Right? Infant to the child to adolescent, then adult, then the old age. Right? This infant when it accumulates the mass, when it increases its number of cells, then it will transform from infant stage to the child. Then we will say that the growth has been happened. Then child to adult, same kind. Then adolescent to adult. The same principle will be applied. Increase in mass, increase in number of cells. Then the growth will be shown by the organism. Then can we say that if an organism performs or shows the growth, it's a living? No, because let us take an example of the mountains. Right? Let us take the example of the mountains. Right? When we talk about the mountains, whether the mountains shows the growth, whether the mountain number of cells of the mountain increases, no, but they start accumulating the dust particles, soil particles upon it. That shows that, that says that increase in mass, that is, growth has taken place. Right? Growth has taken place. Then what type of growth? What type of growth is this, and what type of growth is this? And the first example, from infant to child to adolescent, adolescent to adult, we have seen this growth as the internal growth. And what we have seen now in case of mountains, that is external growth. Okay, internal growth and external growth. But these two, what is the common now? That's growth. That is increase in mass, increase in cells. Then shall we say that the growth is a defining character, is a definite character of living organism? No. Then growth is a non-defining character of living organisms. Right, this is what the first feature we have discussed, and this feature is growth, and that's a non-defining character of living organism. Now next we are going to study about the next feature like reproduction, response to stimuli, then metabolism and cellular organization in the next upcoming videos. Thanks for listening. Thanks for watching.